Why does it do that? It's ridiculous. All right. Why is it working for an M10 thread? I stopped a little too early, but I'm trying to make quarter 20 thread and it's coming out like quarter 40. I didn't change anything. I've been doing this for like 8 hours straight. It's now 5 a.m. All I want is quarter 20 in brass. I didn't change anything else. Going insane. Alright. Doing quarter 20 ANSI thread on steel. I did not change anything else except from, this might be it, from metric ISO M10 to ANSI quarter inch 20, but I don't see anything else other than ANSI for Imperial. So let's just see if this works or it doesn't. Yeah, it's not. Nope, stripping it. It's exactly what was happening with the brass. So I'm gonna say the ANSI profile on Fusion360's threading for Imperial is not right. Because isometric works, and if I remember correctly, last time I tried to get this working for metric, I tried ANSI metric and I was getting this issue, but was doing other things trying to get the machine working too. So I don't know. Alright, I've changed everything to manual. So we're not doing ANSI thread anymore with, well, ANSI thread, yeah, but manual. I swear. I just wasted 9 or 10 hours trying, oh my god. Well, hold on. Nah. Alright, it's still doing it. It's just less pronounced. Dude, seriously, what is going on?